You can now become anyone you imagine. It is now possible to create an AI influencer video that looks 100% real. This method I'm about to show you will allow you control the AI influencer to do whatever you want. Is the camera still working? Or am I missing something here? Oh, I'm back as a new person. Okay, now brands don't have to spend so much money on UGC ads. They can create an AI influencer and use it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your AI influencer, how to add consistency to it, the type of AI influencers that are going viral, and make your AI influencer to do whatever you want and how to earn from it. My name is Charles. Let's go. Now, to get started, we are going to head over to Higgsfield. I'm going to leave the link to Higgsfield in the description of this video. Once you're on Higgsfield, you can just click on this AI Influencer Studio here or click here to get started. For now, you can use it for free. So here's the Influencer Studio where you can create your AI influencer. On the left part, you have the influencers that have already been created. You can use these influencers here or create your own from scratch. Now, if you look at this, these are different influencers that you can use. And I'll show you later in this video why this type of influencers would even work more than the type you think you want to create. I'll show you that later in this video. And over on the right side here, you can build your own AI influencer, and there are two ways of doing it. The first one is by using a prompt. So you can enter a detailed prompt that will describe your AI influencer, how the influencer would look like, the hairstyle, the color, the mood, the persona, and everything. Just put your prompt here and then start creating. Or you use the second method, which is by just selecting these options here. Now, these options have been made very easy for you to just click and select the type you want. So if you want your influencer to be a normal human being, you could just choose human. Or if you want it to be a unique character, probably an iguana or an ant or a lizard or a reptile, you could just use it, or an elf. I like this elf. I'm going to use this elf, right? So for example, I'm going to choose this elf here, and then the gender here, I'm going to select female, and down here, ethnicity, I want it to be mixed race. I'm going to take this off. And then the skin color, I want two skin colors. So with the skin color, you can mix or tone two skin colors. I can choose white and brown, right? Or you can just use one. And down here, I can select the eye color. So I'm going to select blue and then come down here for the skin condition. The skin condition, if you want a clear skin, you don't need to select this. I want a clear skin, so I've removed this option here. If you want to give your AI influencer marks or unique skin pattern, you can use this to do that. And then down here, you can just select the age, right? For me, I just want an adult. I don't want someone too mature or a senior. Down here, you can further customize the face, body, and style, but I'm not going to look into that from this video. What I'm going to do is to customize the eye. I'm going to select human, right? And then down here, for the eye details, I'm gonna leave it as it is, right? I can just select different eye. And then down here, the mouth, let's keep this sharp teeth. No, let's use forked tongue, and let's take this off. Just so you can select more than one option, right? And then the ear, we are going to leave it at elf ear. And we don't want it to have a horn. We want human skin, and we want solid surface pattern. We don't want to use like stripes on the skin or spots. We want the skin to be clean, right? Now, once you have all this set up, we are good to go. The next thing is to come over here and click generate. And boom, we have our AI influencer ready to use. So I can click on it to open it. Now you can see how this looks. It looks good. You can see the tongue here, forked tongue and elf ear, very unique. Two eyes look different, right? Very unique, very real. So we can use this AI influencer to start creating videos, and I'll show you how to do that shortly. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe, because I have a lot of videos here that will help you. So subscribe, like, and drop a comment. So let's say you have created an AI influencer and it doesn't really meet what you want. You can make changes or recreate. You can just click on this icon here to regenerate, or you can click here to edit with Nano Banana Pro, or just go straight to creating video with this influencer by clicking here. Now, once you have an influencer here, just click on this save as influencer cover, and then it's going to save it and put it by the left here, where we have this now. All right, now I want to generate 2 more images for this AI influencer that looks exactly like her, just so that I can maintain the consistency in different videos. So what I'm going to do is, just under this image, I'm going to enter here, close up selfie shots, and then I'm going to click edit, and boom, we have this image of our AI influencer. This is more like a selfie shot and it looks good, so we can use this to create video right away. Now I'm going to create 2 more. I'm going to go back to this full image here because it shows the skirt. I want to show her in bedroom, right? So I'm going to say she's standing in the bedroom, and then I'm going to send this. Boom, we have the influencer in the bedroom. So we can use this image to create videos with this influencer in this bedroom here. And then one more thing, I'm going to say she is in the streets of New York, and then send it. Boom, we have this. She's in the street, she's holding a cup of coffee. So we can even use this image to create dance video in the street or something crazy, right? Now we are done creating images for this influencer, consistent ones that we can use in several videos. The next step is to make this image move, to animate this video. Now, before I show you how to control this AI influencer and make it do whatever you want to do, here's why this type of influencers are going viral. Instead of just doing what everyone is doing and try to create an AI influencer that looks real, that looks like a normal human being, you can do something different. You can make yours different and create an AI influencer that is unique, that will stop the scroll, right? If this person is talking on Instagram, someone's going to stop. Wait, why does this person have a forked tongue? Why does this person have an F ear? So you need to add something to your influencer that will make the person look unique, different from a normal human being, but not too far from a human being, if you want to actually get attention from using your AI influencers. So if you look at these characters by the right here, you can see ant, bee, iguana, B2, alien, lizard, reptile. Like, these are unique, and especially this one here, this reptile influencer, right? Just imagine a reptile influencer pops up in your feed and starts talking and be like, "How people want to watch," right? It's going to make the viewers want to stop and watch your video every time. Now, this is the secret no one is telling you. So try to make your influencer unique to your own, so anyone that sees it would recognize it and know that this is you, this is your own influencer. Now, once you've created your unique AI influencer, the next part is controlling it, animating the influencer to do whatever you want, because that's the best part of it. I can animate this influencer to walk, to dance, to drink this cup of coffee, to roll the tongue, you know what I mean, and do that, right? It can do whatever I want. So to do that, I'm just going to click try free here. I can try for free. And then I'm going to click here where it says explore more. So you can see here it has taken us to motion control. Now, what this does is it allows you to upload a video where you have like someone doing something or doing a specific motion or saying something, and then you'll be able to transfer that motion to an image. So let me explain. Now, look at these videos here. You can see this person dancing, this person talking. This is a selfie video here. It can be any of these videos, or you can just record yourself and upload, right? Record the emotion that you want and upload. So for here, what we are going to do, we'll ensure that here is on motion control, and then we are going to add a motion that to copy. So here, we are going to click on this person here to add this motion here, and then add our character. And here I've uploaded the selfie image of our AI influencer. So once you have this, you just select the quality. I'm going to use 1080p because it's the highest quality. It's going to give me a clean image. And then down here where I say scene control mode, I'm going to keep it at image. Now, what this allows you to do is it's going to allow you choose where the background should come from, whether the image or the video. I want to keep whatever background is on the image the same, everything the same. I only want the movement from the video. So I'm going to leave it at image, right? And then I'm going to click generate.
Leave it with me. That is the hottest fucking text you can get from a guy ever. Fucking love it. Let's say, for example, you're dating somebody and you say to them, you're organizing to go out Friday night for dinner. What cuisine are you wanting? You tell them Thai food. And then they reply back with, leave it with me. Oh my God. Hot, hot, hot. And then a few minutes later, when they send you a screenshot and they're like, yep, booked, all booked. Looking forward to seeing you. Even fucking better. Love a strong communicator, but also I love the
So we can do this for other images where we have our AI influencer in the bedroom or on the street. So to do that, I'm going to click on motion library here, and it's going to pull up all these videos, or you can just pick up a video you like somewhere and try to copy the motion. So I'm going to pick this video and then create it again, and we have this. Now here are other videos I created with the influencer. Woman, you love it, I carry me show. No other one can do what you do. I could give you the world and you still be wanting more, more. So maniac. So you don't have any excuse not to earn from this, from creating content with your AI influencer on social media. Look at this page here on Instagram, and there are several pages like this. This is an AI influencer page, and all the photos, all the images look real, 100% real. And if you look at the comment section, you can see heart, heart, heart. Wow, very nice, gorgeous picture. Like, people are really loving it. So if I open this video here, you can see, I'll see you there. Nice, this. People actually vibe with it. Most people don't think it's real, but you can create yours to even be better than this by creating a unique character. So you can earn from social media by just posting AI influencer videos on your page. So if you create a similar page with your unique character, it's going to be easy for you to monetize the page and start earning, not just from monetization, but from brand deals. And for any type of brand deal, you would be able to control the AI character to even hold the product by just uploading the image of your AI influencer with the product and adding motion to it. Let's say you want to promote a product for a brand. So it is very easy to scale, to monetize, to earn from having your AI influencer. I'm going to leave the link to Higgsfield in the description of this video. Sign up and start creating. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe. I have a lot of helpful videos. So subscribe, like, and comment. Check out this other video here.